Good day everyone. On this channel, as you already know very well, we learn how to be better pet owners and how to make our pets happier. Join us. Today we will talk about dogs' bad breath. Before we start, we just want to say that it is good to be back. Every dog owner is aware of this fact, and at least once in his life faced bad breath from the mouth of his beloved pet. It's quite a normal thing. Sometimes dogs can really have a strong smell, even unpleasant, coming from their mouths. But if it is excessive, of course it indicates that something is wrong with the mouth and teeth of our beloved pets, and that it may indicate that it is necessary to consult a veterinarian. We will leave that to the experts, and today we will deal with the topic of the unpleasant smell from your dog's mouth, under condition that it is not a serious illness, but rather a matter of hygiene and good manners of your pooch. First, we need to understand what is happening in our dog's mouth and why this happens. Our dog's mouth is like ours, the place where food digestion begins. But, due to moisture and the accumulation of food residues, deposits and dental plaque can develop, and bacteria, which cause a bad smell. It is very good to know what we are fighting against. Of course, there can always be diseases of the gums and teeth, but your veterinarian must take care of that. Water and hydration. Just like humans, our dogs can take in too little water, and this can lead to bad breath. Make sure your dog is always drinking enough fluids. You can encourage him to do so by adding a small amount of dog broth to his water, whether you buy it at a pet shop or make it yourself at home. You will find many recipes for dog broth on the internet. Refreshing water. We all know about the extraordinary antibacterial effect of apple cider vinegar, but we can't get our dog to wash his mouth with it. That's why we can mix a small amount of apple cider vinegar, about 1 tablespoon, depending on the size of the dog, with about half a teaspoon of honey and a little water, and smear it on his gums, or give him to drink it. Both ingredients have a great antibacterial effect, but of course we must not overdo it with honey, because dogs cannot eat sugar. Teeth brushing. It is very important that you start training your dear dog on time, because no dog will like to have his mouth and teeth touched, so start slowly and gradually, while he is still small, to get him used to the fact that this is a completely normal process, during which you will reward him. You can use toothbrushes for dogs, or ours, but softer ones. Later in your dog's life, neither you nor your vet will have any trouble accessing your canine's sharp teeth. You can use store-bought pastes for dogs, or you can make your own at home. On this occasion, we will give you 2 recipes. The first, and a favorite, is a recipe for toothpaste with baking soda. It is safe for dogs, and because it is abrasive, it removes deposits well. And coconut oil is anti-inflammatory and antibacterial. Mix about 3 tablespoons of baking soda with about 4 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Mix and store in glass jars, which you can store in the refrigerator for up to 7 days. It is excellent because it is cheap, not harmful. It will last you a long time, because only a small amount is needed for 1 brushing, and dogs love it. You can always add a drop of mint or peppermint essential oil. Another way is a small variation. You can also add chopped parsley or a pinch of cinnamon, because they are good at fighting bacteria. Dog dental chews and treats. There are many types of dental treats on the market for pets, which clean teeth perfectly. You can decide in your local pet shop for the one that is best for you and that your pet likes the most. You can also make some of the delicious, at the same time refreshing treats for your dog yourself, and we will dedicate the whole next episode to that. Animal dental products. There are various products for maintaining the hygiene of your dog's teeth, whether it is powders that are added to food, or refreshing sprays that you spray in your dog's mouth. The names of the products differ as to the properties. Ask your veterinarian, they will be happy to help you choose the best one for your pet. A visit to the vet. Just like us, dogs should have their teeth checked from time to time, sometimes even in addition to regular tooth brushing, dental chews and treats, and other methods. A veterinarian's intervention is needed, such as removing tartar. It is usually painless for the dog and is done under anesthesia, and after that, your pet will have a Hollywood smile and certainly healthier teeth and gums. It is very important that you take care of the health of your dog's teeth, because as we have already said, digestion begins in the mouth. Brushing your dog's teeth should be done once a day, or at most 2 to 3 times a week, using whichever of these methods work best for you and your pet. As soon as you notice any chewing disorders, or notice any changes during a routine weekly checkup, contact your veterinarian immediately, because the overall health of your dog may be in question. We hope you enjoyed today's episode and that you all learned a lot of new things. How do you maintain your pet's dental hygiene? Tell us in the comments and help one of us with your advice. That would be all for today's lesson. Join us in the next episode and don't forget to subscribe and like. Also ring that bell so you don't miss the next class. Stay safe and happy. And don't forget, love and respect all your pets and enjoy the time you are given to spend together.